absolutely calm for the storm in more ways than one. Hey, it's Monday, January 21st. I'm your drop-in host Rose, and today we're taking some laps on Aspen Mountain. I don't know if you can see behind me, but the prayer flags on the ski patrol shack are kind of starting to billow in the wind a little bit. But you can tell if you look down valley that the storm is rolling in. The winds are starting to pick up. It's supposed to start snowing at around noon, and we're supposed to maybe get about 3 inches from it. Some reports are saying more, some are saying less. It's really hard to tell. Also, the X Games storm is coming. X Games Aspen starts on Thursday, starts this Thursday over at Buttermilk. So it's pretty quiet in town right now, but they'll be coming. You can be sure of that. So let's go take a run. See, nice and sunny towards the pass, sunny-ish, and then you turn this way, real dark. They groomed Pussyfoot, so we're gonna take a run down that because it's freshly groomed. Normally this has a lot of bumps on it.